Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Romi T14 gearhead lathe. I believe it's a 14-inch swing, 40 inches between centers. And just see now the net weight is 2,315 pounds. This is all original paint, came out of a school. They thought there was something wrong with the machine, so I bought them out, but the only thing wrong was the brake was out of adjustment, so the brake would hum. Here's your steady rest, open side steady rest. 3-jaw chuck. Dorian Toolpost. I'll dig out a few holders from around the shop for it. Micrometer carriage stop. There's a Atlas 6-inch 3-jaw adjust true chuck with reversing top jaws. There's about a 7 or 8 inch, let's say 8-inch 4-jaw chuck. Faceplate, chuck key. That change gear was in the cabinet on the end. I would imagine it goes to it, but I never really read the book to see. I don't have a book, but to see what range it goes in. There are your speeds from 50 to 2,500 RPM. I think I have it right now in set at 1,000 RPM. Just start it out. This you pull up. It's a joystick, so you pull this towards you. Let's reverse, forward. Okay. And the carriage feeding. Now this has a handle, it's a safety handle, so it swings. Feeding toward the chuck. Feeding out. And I think to reverse the direction is on here, if I remember right. Feeding in. Feeding back. Let's try a lower speed. Let's see, that was at 1,000. Let's go to 630, so it would be any orange. Let's see, orange, gray, yellow. 630 RPM. Drop down to the green. Let's see, green range. And then we go to green. Oh, wait, that's green. We go to green on here. Green, green, red. This is 50 RPM. 200 RPM. Then let's try orange. Orange would be this one. This should be, that's 50 RPM. So these are nice clean lathes. Well, we sold the other one, so lathe, we only got one left. All original paint. Wired right now for low voltage 3-phase. It's got to get at least 220 volt or the contactors don't like it. So 220, 230 volt. There's your tag. The machine was new in 2008. December 18th of 2008. You can check this machine out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.